are at the Missouri Botanical Garden for our 9th annual Garden Glow. We have more than 1 million lights throughout the garden in 30 different installations that you can walk through and experience and really engage with. A lot of visitors are familiar with the Missouri Botanical Garden in the daylight, in the warmer months, the spring, summer, and fall. And we wanted to give visitors a chance to see the garden in the winter at nighttime with lights. It's just a magical experience to be able to walk through the garden like that. It's a large undertaking to set up Garden Glow each year. We have more than 1 million lights, 30 different installations throughout the garden, and we have a crew of just 6 people that set all of that up. They start after Labor Day weekend. We have our Japanese festival every Labor Day weekend, and as soon as that's over, it's time to set up Garden Glow. And they're out here every day, weather permitting, setting up the different installations. The longest setup time is for the show in the central axis with the orbs and the Christmas lights, and as well as Big Blue, and that is a sweet gum that we wrap in 800 individual strands of blue Christmas lights. So that takes 3 to 4 days to get that set up. So we do have those return visitors to Garden Glow each year, so we try to add something new every year, so there's always something fresh and different to see. This year we added an installation called Springtime, which is 100 3-foot tall custom-made glass lilies that each have 40 lights inside of them, and they all light up in time to music. So you can think warm thoughts of spring as you walk down the path of lilies. Garden Glow is an entirely outdoor experience. You are walking through the Missouri Botanical Garden where we have 1 million lights. And so it is nice and comfortable and safe to be in an open air environment. We have reduced the capacity so people aren't right next to each other, and of course we have 79 beautiful acres to spread out on, so plenty of space for social distancing. We do have a lot of visitors that come year after year, and it is a part of their holiday family tradition or tradition with friends or a great date night with your significant other that you can do every year. And we do have families that have come year after year. It's our 9th annual Garden Glow, so some of them started when their kids were just little kids, and now they have teenagers or even adults, and they get those photos each year, and it's fun to see their families grow. So Garden Glow runs through January 8th. We are open nightly except for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. To get more information, you can visit mobot.org/glow.